Since 1999, Saturn has been fueling fishing adventures for families and enthusiasts alike. Affordable and easy to assemble, inflatable fishing boats, kayaks, rafts, and more make every day on the water effortless. Launch into adventure and cast your line with ease, perfect for any fishing trip. Whether you're fishing on calm lakes or open waters, Saturn boats are made for moments like this. Explore rivers, lakes, and secluded spots with Saturn's versatile fishing boats. For thrill seekers and fishing pros, Saturn fishing boats take your passion to the next level. Bring your family closer with fun-filled fishing days on the water. From compact dinghies to larger models, Saturn offers a variety of fishing boats to fit your style. Relax, cast, and enjoy the simple joy of a day spent fishing with friends and family. Saturn fishing boats, designed for effortless fishing and unforgettable experiences. Built tough for the serious angler, Saturn fishing boats are made to last. Customize your boat to suit your fishing adventures, whether for fun or professional use. Create lasting memories with your family, one catch at a time. From relaxed mornings to adventurous fishing trips, Saturn has the perfect boat for every moment. Join the thousands of happy Saturn fishing boat owners and experience the joy of the catch. Affordable fishing fun awaits. Visit BoatsToGo.com for more information. Saturn fishing boats, your adventure starts here.